Lots of teams are using Planoly to embed content from other systems around the web. Whimsical is a great one, and we actually use it for a lot of the process diagrams and understanding ISO 19650 and the like. But I'm going to show you an example of embedding, and also, so not just an embed of an image inside of a section, a container of requirements, but also embedding an iframe so that that actually is live and updated and can be zoomed around and understood maybe in more detail. So inside of Planoly, I'm going to create another document, and I'm going to add a couple of sections. So this section and then a second section. The first way, we're going to go to Whimsical again, and I'm going to select on the diagram that I would like to embed. In the top right hand corner, we can copy the image by simply right clicking and copying, and then going to Planoly, we can embed it by just simply pasting. So I'm just using Control and V, or you could right click and embed it. So now I've got an image in this section, which is pretty cool, but maybe we want the live image so that it's updated as the updates inside of Whimsical occur. So inside of the second section, I'm going to, instead of just copying this image, I'm going to go to the top to that paper aeroplane again, but I'm going to embed the code from this view. So when I click embed, it gives me a couple of options, making sure to crop to the current viewport so I only see what is visible in this viewport, enabling the access to be public so everyone else can see this, and then I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to go to Planoly, and on the right hand side, when you're editing a section, there are three dots that enable you to access the code view. And when we're in the code view, I can simply paste the text, the code, the iframe code that I had got from Whimsical, that I received from Whimsical, and I'm going to make this 100%. So the width of this I'm going to make 100%, and then I'm simply either going to click outside or close up that menu, and now we'll see the full diagram. But it's not just a static diagram. Let me share this section. It's also, I can zoom into this diagram and move around it, and any updates that are made in the Whimsical diagram. So say for example, we have another role that is over here, and I am going to join this in for some unknown reason. And now whenever the updates are made inside of Whimsical, we also get the same updates. If I open that section again, you'll see the same updates are shown inside of Planoly. So the benefit of having a quick image is that it's static, but it's not going to change obviously when you're updating your diagrams. The other side of it is, if you want that diagram to be updated and for this to be continually updated in all of the plan sections that you use it in, across all of the documents, across all of the projects that you use it in, then you can link an iframe from Whimsical directly. There's lots of other tools that you can grab that content as an iframe, but that's just one example. Hopefully that's useful for your teams as you start to integrate a lot of data from many different places on the web together.